Morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing for Friday, the 8th of December. Low pressure centred over to our northwest at the moment, bringing with it a west-southwesterly flow. Pretty much clear of fronts today. They've painted on this trough line up to the northwest of us, so we may see some shower activity just trailing off that. I don't think that will cause any problems. Moving ahead overnight, this low pressure moving across closer over the top of us. Quite a big area of low pressure. And tomorrow, you see these isobars tightening up quite significantly. And the Met Office is currently showing gusts of 35 to 40 knots tomorrow, making that unflyable. And similar picture on Sunday, fairly windy, and it's showing this occlusion over the top of us, which will cause us some problems. But hopefully, once this has passed through or before it comes through, there should be a flyable part of the day. Spot winds today, it's showing centre of the country 240, towards the south coast 260, so about 250 at Lasham, which is quite awkward because it's right in between 23 and 27, but about 30 to 35 knots at height, so quite brisk. Sat pic shows variable amounts of cloud, but relatively clear outlook over Lasham. You can see a little bit more up to the northwest. Looking on the rain radar, I expect we'll see some more rain up in that direction. There we go. Quite a lot up to the northwest. Scattered showers sort of out in the West Country and South Wales at the moment. Hopefully shouldn't cause us too much of a problem at Lasham. I'm looking at the rainfall forecast. Going throughout the day, it's not actually showing anything coming near us. So if you follow the Met Office forecast, there shouldn't be any showers today. Public forecast showing sunny intervals, steady breeze from the southwest and good visibility from about 11 onwards. Quite humid to begin with and relatively humid all day, so be particularly careful of misting canopies. If you make sure they're clean, then they don't mist quite as badly. Top temperature 8 or 9 degrees today, dew point's about 7. And Odium's last observation, few clouds at 2,000. They're showing 10 knots from the southwest, few at 2,500. They've put a tempo here for 224 for towering cumulus and some rain showers. Expect that's probably not the case. Farnborough haven't said anything about that. They've just put a few clouds at 3,000. And that's pretty much it. Top meteo today, just looking at significant weather, not really showing a lot. It's showing some showers out to the west, but a pretty clear picture over Lasham. It's got a very small chance of, it looks like haze really. I doubt you'd have any fog. With the humidity being that high, I wouldn't be surprised, but otherwise, it's not showing anything too bad. No NOTAMs today. Okay, operationally, as I said, the wind is a bit awkward, but I suggest they'll probably set up on 2-3. So launch point at the normal position, and the cable's running down the edge of the runway, just like that, as normal. Make sure you leave a gap for the retrieve truck to drive past, otherwise it has to go onto the grass. It will probably fairly soggy, so it will chew it up very quickly. Aeroturning will be from the grass on the north side of the runway as normal. Just in case they go for 2-7, launch point will be in the normal position, slightly offset to the north, and the cables will be on the south side of the runway, about there. And they will need correction to the left on the winch in this case. As I say, I think we'll be on 2-7, but I'm not actually in today, so I'm not sure. Okay, jet movement at some point today, most likely. They've been trying to get in for about a week now. Looks like it's finally a clear day for them. So there's an EasyJet A319 coming from Gatwick, scheduled to depart at 10:10 from Gatwick, at which point 2XL will probably want the airfield to be secure, and arriving supposedly at 10:17. They'll be arriving on 27 Lashams, and I assume Gatwick are on Westerly, so it'll be quite a quick flight. So they're forecasting it to be 7 minutes. Okay, should be a nice day. I will be back on Sunday. Bye for now.